Up the boards for Kucherov. All he could do is tip the puck to center, and Dallas has got it again. Miro Heiskanen turns, gave the puck away as he went down. Kucherov's in alone, and he scores! 5 minutes and 33 seconds in. An unfortunate event for Miro Heiskanen, and Kucherov makes it 1-0 Tampa.
And you see so often in these games, the momentum swings come Stanley Cup. Here you got in all alone. Gurianov trying to get his first goal of this Stanley Cup final. Gets a little hook there by Hedman, loses the puck. Now a no-look falling down pass is never a good thing. On a backhand at your blue line against Kucherov, it couldn't be worse. And here in alone, you've got to get that up the boards. You've got to get it away to safety. Palat forces the turnover, and calmness for Kucherov right on the doorstep.